So I wasn't really able to go to the boat race this morning because we went to church for Sunday worship, and then 1 p.m. Joseph have the practice in Amayo for Tuesday for the Maasil. You guys watch for that. And now it's 3:55 p.m. and we're heading to see if we can still find something in Koror side, if there's still a boat race going on, because they said it will be finished at 5 p.m. so we'll try and catch up. So see you there, guys. Beautiful day, very sunny, very hot. Okay, we're almost there, Joseph. It's not very traffic anymore. I think people are going back to Koror. There's a lot of people this morning. I've heard the traffic is a bit slow this morning, but right now I don't see much traffic. But looks like a lot of people are heading out already from the boat race. There you go. There's a lot of, yeah, we're too far, so we can just
oh, look, that's traffic over there.
this is the only place you can park. Happy Independence Day. I'm not really sure if we can go in the Capitol to watch the, what you call this, fireworks. So yeah, you can. So we're on top of the bridge. So where's the race, Han?
Not yet, I'm gonna start like
So we're at Irai side right now, because looks like we're gonna have a hard time looking for parking in Koror side. I don't know. You have to go back, and I think Koror side is. Park in the road over there a while ago. So we managed to find the parking. Come on, careful. So this is Irai side right now. We have a lot of food. Look, we got over here. I can smell the barbecue. Hi. Hello. You wait for Daddy. So we're gonna watch the boat race first before we are going to. It's hard because the sun on this side right here. Hello. So the boat race is So we're facing the sun, so where's Joseph? Joseph! It's coming. So hot. Joseph, where's Daddy? Did you find Daddy? So that's Koror side right there. We're at Irai side right now. Actually facing the sun. We just leave it there for a while. See, we're facing the sun here.
Get your water.
Now we come back. Let's go. So we're gonna buy a drink.
There's the bubble tea shop.
Would you like a... There's no bubble tea here. So this is the vibe in Irai side. We're at Irai side. I don't know, there's no bubble tea. Maybe it's on the other side. Ah, over here. We got other side. They don't have the... Hello.
On barbecue. Barbecue.
Remember you used to work at Forte's Pharmacy?
Yeah.
My mom was, sis.
Yeah. Where's your mom?
She's over there.
Ah, she's over there?
You filming?
Yeah.
Oh.
I want this.
Yeah. Is it spicy? No. Okay. You get that one. This is second, Joseph. I get two. There you go. Thank you. Okay. That's it. Hey guys, you're here. HK. Okay. You go to your daughter. You go to your daughter. Teen's lunchbox. What you guys doing? See, they have a barbecue here. May barbecue pala eh. Joseph, you check Daddy. I will ask Daddy if we can move on the other side.
No.
Check Alfred. It's really hot. It's hurting my eyes. So that's it. I don't know. You want guys
Other
to?
side.
What's going on here? Let's check what's going on here. Hello.
We're selling onigiri at
Ah.
School.
Yeah, we're from Palau Mission Academy.
But she's a tourist.
I'm from there. Yeah, she's from there too.
So what's in the rice?
Tuna and kiwi.
Exactly. I made them so it should be delicious.
Yeah, good shop, Mikaya.
So sorry guys if I won't be able to get a nice shot for the boat because really we're on the other side and I think this is not the best place to see it. May rehearsal kasi yung anak ko sa dance nila para sa Tuesday sa Amayo. Okay, I have to check. Where's Joseph? Hi. They actually have some table under the bridge right here. Selling?
We're selling some earrings and clit and some these ones.
Okay.
Queen bee.
So how much is the?
One of these are $10.
$10. It's made of what?
It's made of stone.
Oh wow, nice. This is a handicraft that you can find here in the island in Palau. Okay guys, thank you.
Bye.
Next time I'm gonna get, okay?
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
I like your YouTube channel.
Yeah, thank you.
680 Sunrise. Peace protection.
Where's JD? I'm taking a shade right here. It's so hot. Uy. There you go. There's no parking on the other side, so we end up on this side right here, which the sun is facing us. So, you sit with Daddy's Joseph is sitting there.
New hub services, smart staff, thank you so much for safe breakers.
Second one. It's very big distance, huh? Big distance to go. Second one. And Joseph is relaxing, sitting with Daddy's tet. Daddy's pelican. And I'm taking a shade. Hiding from the sun. It's really hot. There you go, Joseph. So this morning we wasn't able to come early because we went to church, and then Joseph had dance practice at Amayong. You can check it on my live today during his practice. So yeah, this is our day today here in Island Republic of Palau, and we're standing here in Irai side watching the boat race. So this is the second lap, right? Last lap? Okay. This is my umbrella. Joseph is over here on the shade as well. What's going on? I don't know. What's the color of JD? This one? That's JD. So there you go. First one. It's coming this way.
WCC for state government, Iran state government.
Now here, Joseph.
Palau visitors
First place.
Public of Palau National Government, Ministry of State, Ministry of Justice.
First place, huh?
Ministry of Super Ministry.
Yeah, winner.
Palau Shipping Company, Palau Eco Paradise. There goes Senator Wilson.
What did you say, Joseph? Joseph?
Red is first place.
What did you say? You're saying something like what did you say a while ago?
I said the red is taking revenge.
The what?
The red.
Is taking what?
Revenge. The red bull.
You're coming, Joseph. Hi. Say hi, hello to them.
You're also recording.
Oh, Joseph subscribers. So we're done for today. I hope you guys enjoy our day today. Look at that, there's a lot of people going out as well because the race is finished.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Without the things, comment down below. Don't skip the ads. Bye.
Bye. Thank you guys for watching.